Wow, there are so many problems with the NRA's leader, Wayne LaPierre. He has been funding private planes and trips on yachts, as well as lavish gifts and hotel stays for relatives. I am not opposed to guns, but it sounds like we need to get Vanilla Ice
There was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it.
to solve their problems. After losing the New Hampshire primary to Donald Trump, Nikki Haley was told to either endorse Trump or to help Biden. I say that is as cruel as telling a teammate on the bench to quit because they're not getting any playing time.
1, 2, 3, Transformers!
So get this. I grew up in California, but things are getting weird out there. A new law would require cars to have speed regulators installed, limiting the speeds to 10 miles above the speed limit.
What the hell is...
Just made sure it was secure.
Are you personally gonna pay for the regulators on at least 32,000 cars, as well as the speed radars on 400,000 miles of California roads? Yeah, you legislators, I bet you forgot to do a simple Google search and some basic math to figure out what effect this would have on the state's economy. You've heard of a liger. It's that cross between a male lion and a female tiger. But have you heard of a tigon? Yeah, that's right. Just swap the parents and you have a tigon. Also, you've always heard that these two hybrids are completely sterile, that they can't have kids. But poof, what if they could? Isn't nature amazing? You thought the weirdest thing that you had heard about crabs is that they walk sideways. You were wrong. Look them up. There are so many species resembling other critters common in our pop culture. These include the orangutan crab, the candy crab, the cheerleading pom-pom crab, horseshoe crab, and even the teddy bear crab. That's right. There's a crab that resembles a stuffed toy version of a bear named after a president who legally went by Theodore. Oh, and to top it off, Theodore is also a chipmunk who helped perform your favorite Christmas tune.
Christmas, Christmas time is near.
A third grade teacher uses a system of fake money to teach her third grade students how to spend, how to save, and how to earn dimes. Unfortunately, we can't use this same system to teach our government officials how to spend our tax dollars. I have plenty of fake money options from board games that they can pick from, including Life, Monopoly, Access, and Allies. And if they get really adventurous, they can go to their craft store and they can pick some up there. A veteran in New Hampshire fakes needing the use of a wheelchair to gain a higher rating for his VA benefits. It reminds me of the movie I Now Pronounce You Chuck and Larry, in which two guys pretend to be a couple just to maintain their benefits.
Show me the money.
Show me the money! Show me the money!
A couple working as chauffeurs for a publisher stole $34 million from him, and this is how they did it. They charged his American Express card. First off, why did they have access to charge his card? Second, why don't you just cancel your card, dude? And third, how can I get your card? I just need $2 million to sit pretty. The New York Museum of Natural History had to take down some of its Native American displays when an executive order was signed by the president, requiring museums to request permission from tribes to display artifacts and remains. Why don't we just ask Sacagawea and Pocahontas for permission? I'm just kidding about that. But when are we going to stop changing the names of teams and mascots when not requested by the tribe? Medical tourism, is it worth it? Taking your vacation while you get some exotic surgery. Deaths are on the rise in the Dominican Republic. Aside from the side effects and the kidnapping of these surgeries, why don't you just save your money and enjoy a vacation instead?
If somebody says, I can make your buttocks look better, it'll cost you $500, let me go to Home Depot, you better run.
Do you really need a Brazilian butt lift?